Good morning vlog. It's actually not morning. It's like 11, but we got a late start today because this one has been sick. She's been sick for like the last 3 or 4 days, just like not able to keep anything down. This is Nike, by the way. She's just a little girl. She's a Chihuahua Pit Bull mix. So I don't know. Does anyone else have this experience where their dogs just get sick and throw up for days? She does this every like once a year at least, but this is kind of the worst one that's happened. She was finally able to keep water and everything down the last couple of days, and she's eating normally again finally. But last night she was up from like 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. So we had a rough night last night. We were up all night. I don't have kids, but I imagine it's mildly what it would be like to have a sick child. But anyways, we are back in Plymouth. It's been kind of a chill week, just like the boring stuff that like no one wants to see. But today I'm going into town to run some errands. We have some dry cleaning, some tailoring, just some like random things I need to do. So I'm gonna take you with and show you like what the little city center of Plymouth looks like. I say city loosely. I would say this is more like a small town vibes, but apparently Plymouth is like the largest city in Massachusetts in terms of land, and my theory is because it's all like wealthy, large plots of land, wealthy people, second homes, vacationers. We're gonna go run some errands and check out Plymouth. Hello, we're making salmon bake and
We're out of pans.
we don't have any pans. We also have never made this before, so it shall be interesting.
That's great. Yum.
Okay, I am making bone broth hot chocolate for our walk tonight. It's kind of like my new hyper fixation because it's good for the gut. And I specifically use the Four Sigmatic Calm cacao mix because it's got reishi mushrooms in it, so it's like a good nighttime little mix. It's really easy. It's just bone broth, your favorite kind of milk. I use oat milk, and your cacao mix or your hot cocoa mix, your favorite collagen, and some maple syrup. creepy. Your head just popped out of nowhere. Good morning. We're going to Nantucket today. We already missed our ferry. So we are just like a 2 hours delayed, but we'll still make it. So we're gonna take you with to Nantucket, and I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna just shop and drink some wine, you know, the fun stuff. So we'll see you in Nantucket.